Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk update Google Workspace licenses using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. IT admins are usually required to handle several Google Workspace licenses at a time, and they are responsible for creating, updating, and deleting these licenses. So when it comes to updating these licenses, the admin has to do it one by one using the Google Admin Console. As a result, this process becomes overwhelming and repetitive, increasing the chances of mistakes. To help Google admins solve this puzzle, Foresight creates the automation workflow to bulk update Google Workspace licenses. Let's see how to operate this workflow. Creation of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. In the Edit Trigger screen, select the text variable type for the current SKU-ID. Select the text variable type for the new SKU-ID. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Update User License action. Make sure to access permission from your Google Workspace account. Select User Primary Email for the User Email field, Product ID for the Product ID field, Current SKU-ID for the Current SKU-ID field, and New SKU-ID for the New SKU-ID field. Then, click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click Upload icon and then upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on it and show all. Additionally, check the Logs page for the status of successful rule triggering. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.